Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2024 Hot Wheels Team Transport D case. Obviously, Team Transport, FLF 56 case code on the side there. D indicates it is the fourth mix of 2024. Let's pop this open and see just what's inside. Thank you to Stop Diecast for sending this case over. Stop Diecast, huge supporter of the OTD YouTube channel and OrangeStrikeDiecast.com. So thank you, Stop Diecast. You can order your team transport from OneStopDiecast.com. All right, first set out of the case, and it is, I believe that is correct. Yes, it is our double set. So there's 3 individual sets, all brand new to this case assortment, and this is the set that is doubled up in the case. So we have the number 73 set. So we're already on number 73 at least for Team Transport. It is the Nissan Eurohauler and brand new 94 Nissan 300ZX GTS. So this is the IMSA car from, I believe, the 1990s, obviously. So very cool. Brand new casting designed by Hot Wheels designer Ron Wong, who's just been slaying it on premium as of late, and he's just getting started. So this is a brand new casting. So I wish I would have opened this up previously, because then you know what, let's do it. Let's just crack one open really quick here and just show you that new casting, because it's kind of hidden by the hauler here. So makes sense to crack it open if you haven't seen it already, to crack this open and see just what the new casting looks like. So there we go. There's the new casting. We got a detail on the back. It's cool. Those Nissan ZX headlights, or sorry, taillights in the back. Look at that. Those cool lights from the mid-90s. The red, white, and blue scheme. So this isn't a true authentic, but it is definitely done in that number 75 race car kind of idea. So definitely a few sponsors left off there, but you can get the gist of it. I mean, it's essentially a real replica of that famous IMSA car. So very new casting, very wide too. Let me add that it's a wide casting. So at least you get a good look at that. And obviously, you know, everybody's seen the Euro hauler before, but nice big hauler here. Plastic's all top. Top is all plastic. Some really rugged wheels on this thing too. They look kind of off-road. Are those off-road tires? Look at those. But yeah, great, you know, obviously a great hauler to go with a fabulous car. So, thought I could show you that one. We'll just throw that one in the back here. All right, and let's see what else is in this case. All right, next set out of the case is the number 71. It's a Toyota TRD. So we got kind of an off-road look here. We got the Toyota Off-Road Truck. It's been around for a while. So that's been in probably, 25 years this casting's been around in some form or another. It started off as a 100% casting, actually before the days of 100% Hot Wheels, in the Hot Wheels Collectibles, Cool Collectibles line. And then it kind of went to, premium, right? So it went to semi-premium, the preferred line, and then it was a mainline car for a number of years. And at least in this form, you know, it's in premium once again. So it's changed a little bit. You still get the plastic mainline wheel on the back there. But with this one, you do get that metal base. Obviously, you can see it. Actually looks pretty good on this one. You have the TRD. Obviously, the TRD striping is just, you know, that cool yellow, orange, and red striping. Looks good at any Toyota, really. And even looks good on this truck, even though it doesn't specifically say TRD on it. You can get the gist, and I assume that, you know, it was a licensing thing as to why they couldn't, you know, do an unlicensed casting like the Fleet Street specifically with TRD, but they could transfer over the colors, no problem. So great set there, though. Love that one. Number 1. All right. So last set out of the case, and it is actually the set that I thought, and I think a number of collectors thought this would be the more popular of all of these. It is the number 72 set, the 18 Toyota 4Runner, with a new, if you can see in the back there, the new trailer hitch, and that connects to the brand new, what they're calling open trailer, right? I think this actually has open hauler. If you can see the bottom there, open. Oh no, it is open trailer. Open trailer. You see in the very top left of that base there, it says open trailer. So new trailer casting, new, well, I guess retooled base for the popular 4Runner in this, and it's kind of in that, it's like mint green now. And then we get a brand new casting in the 1989 Toyota Supra. So that is another great casting, Japanese casting. Let's open this up. Let's just do it here, right? So this is all, yeah, this is all Japanese auto manufacturers, right? We have Toyota, Nissan, and then we have a set with the Toyota. Yeah, so Toyota, yeah, Nissan. Okay. So if there was a theme to this mix, it would be Japanese automakers. So this one is more of your standard, you know, casual cars and coffee. Got a 4Runner here, showing up with a nice, nice retro Supra. And this is from, obviously from 1989, so these are becoming more and more popular. There's the base for you. All white though, nice all white paint scheme. You got the twin turbo on the side there. Obviously, with the premium, you get the headlights, taillights deco. And this trailer is something, huh? It's kind of unfinished, huh? It almost feels like there needs to be a little deco on the side, and I'm sure in the future it will. The base of this thing is cool. Look at the metal. Metal's nice. What do we have? Like a little, oh yeah, that little, you can see a little cable, right? Disconnected, obviously. But the car just fits right in there. And voila. On your way to a little Japanese meat there. So is this a JDM car? This is, yes, it's got the right-hand drive steering wheel. So this is your typical JDM, Japanese domestic market Toyota Supra. So, and then let's just look at the 4Runner really quick. Obviously, we got the tow hitch, the retooled base. It still says 18 Toyota 4Runner, but it just has the base in here now. The spare. You know, we got, actually, I have the other one here. Let's compare it really quick. Here is your one that was just in, what is it, TRD Truck? No, that's coming out. I don't remember the name of the series. It was just in one of the Car Culture Off-Road series there. But we have the bases here. You can see. Do you have any real differences? No, just they literally just added the hitch on it. Yeah, it even has the GRM 08 tool. So the tooling numbers stay the same. So I wonder if we'll see. I wonder if we'll actually see. I wonder if this is like a retool. We'll just see this base going forward with a tow hitch. I wonder if the no tow hitch version of the base is just dead for, considering they've just updated the tooling. We'll have to keep an eye on that going forward. But obviously the 4Runner is incredibly popular. It's TRD Pro. This is the 4th rendition of it now in mint green. That mint green, it looks good on just about any Japanese car, I feel like. But all right, well, that is it. Thanks for watching this Team Transport unboxing video. That'll turn into a little showcase here. Make sure you check out OrangeTruckDiecast.com for the full case report. And make sure to check out stopdiecast.com for your team transport needs. They will have these on the website, and you can order your own set or own case before they even hit stores. Thanks for watching. Bye.